Greetings, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord bot without any programming or technical skills. We'll be using the GhostBot website, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for GhostBot. Click on the first link that appears and create a new bot. Next, we need to open the Discord developer portal. This will require you to log in to your Discord account, so go ahead and do that. Once you're logged in, click on New Application to start creating a new application. Give it a name that you like. I will choose Test and click Next. Great, now our bot is created. Let's go to the bot settings. To make our bot active, click on Reset Token and then click Reset. Now scroll down and what we're going to do is enable all the intents. Enable the following intents: the presence intent, the server members intent, and the message content intent. The bot will not work if you don't enable these. After the intents are enabled, we need to disable the UF2 code grant. If you don't disable this, the bot is not able to join your server. Now copy the token that appears. Go back to the GhostBot website and paste the token into the designated field. And that's it. Our Discord bot is now ready to use. Remember, you can customize your bot's functionality and commands by exploring the options in the GhostBot website. Have fun experimenting and creating your own unique bot. Enjoy. This was the tutorial on how you can create your own custom bot with BotGhost. Leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to keep up. Farewell and see you in the next one. Bye.